everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel.
No matter what they try, I'll stay by your side. It's you and
Okay guys, so I have a quick little haul video. Actually, this isn't a little haul video. There's a lot of things in this video to show you, but I actually shopped the Flower Nose sale back at, I think, the end of December. They had like kind of an after Christmas sort of sale, I guess. I don't know if it was going on before Christmas or anything like that, but basically they had this deal that I just could not pass up. I've wanted quite a few things from them. I wanted a few things from their Swan Ballet collection. As you guys know, anything international, you could be spending a lot with like shipping and everything. So I kind of tend to wait until I either want enough stuff to qualify for the free shipping or they have deals like this. So I picked up a few things right here. I already opened one. I already opened like most of this because I had to get the tape off so I could film this video in peace and I wasn't like trying to struggle with tape or anything. I cannot close this box. Let's go ahead and get right into the video. I actually work after this, that's why I'm kind of in a rush, but I have no content anymore, but like I've already uploaded everything. So the first thing that I got is the Swan Ballet music box loose setting powder in the color number 2. And if you guys know anything about Flower Nose, you know that they have amazing girly girl aesthetic, princess vibes packaging. Also, before we get into the video, if you are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click that subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, and if you love hauls, you will love my channel. Also, if you are into Flower Nose at all, then you can definitely check out my coupon code. I'll leave it down below. It's just my name, Layla. I'm not sponsored by Flower Nose or anything like that. This is just stuff that I bought and I buy from them often, so I signed up for their affiliate program. But if you are interested in getting some dollars off, definitely use my code. Let's get right into it. Okay, so this first item is beautiful. The one thing I love about Flower Nose, you guys know, the packaging is amazing. And if you guys have been familiar with the brand Jill Stewart, I used to shop her stuff a lot back in the day. She's a Japanese designer and her stuff was just so expensive. So you'd find stuff that looks like this and it would be like $80–90 online. I don't know if it's that way in Japan, but to ship it abroad and everything, so expensive. So I'm very happy that Flower Nose has a very similar aesthetic and it's not as expensive. Also, you get some deals and stuff like that. This comes with a powder puff and then the powder is on the inside as well. I have tried their loose powder before and it's so nice. Like, it's so smooth and finely milled. So this is the beautiful packaging. Can we just look at how beautiful this is? It's gonna look so good on my vanity once I clean it out. I have to clean up the top of my vanity just a little bit and put this on there. It does have like ballet shoes and then the swans are actually on the side. So beautiful. Next thing that I want to show you guys, this was a free gift and it's just a makeup bag. This is such a cute makeup bag. I'm definitely going to use this. It does have a pearl as the zipper and it is a pretty spacious makeup bag. I am a little bit concerned about the white interior though. I'm not a huge fan of that because, you know, makeup gets kind of everywhere and this could get dirty so fast, but it is beautiful. It is all like tweed. So cute. We're gonna get into the box next. So if you spend a certain amount or if you shop during their deals and stuff like that, you can get this amazing packaging. I've got it like a few times. I think I got it for the Strawberry Rococo collection for their Christmas sale last year and now. And it just basically opens like this, so you can definitely reuse the packaging for like a gift or something like that. And this is all the stuff that I got, so it's quite a bit. We're gonna get into it. So I got a 2-pack of these powder puffs. These are great for either the powder or for like those cushion packs, BB cream, and all of that sort of thing. So I got this for free. It was one of the free gifts. Next up, this is a hairbrush from their Swan Ballet collection. So their deals are pretty awesome. You can definitely pick whatever color you want to get. So if this is like a Swan Ballet bundle, you can pick the colors you want for the eyeshadow, you can pick the colors you want for the blush, or if there's like brushes like this, you can pick whatever color you want. I got the silver one. It looks like this. I don't know if this comes in more colors, to be honest with you, but this is what the brush looks like. It's just a regular hairbrush. Feels really good quality and definitely attention to detail. Look at those swans on the back, how cute. And then on the front, there is a little swan here at the base. So very, very cute. I love this. I almost don't want to use it. I kind of want to put it on my vanity as like a little decoration or something like that. So next up, I don't know what this is. This is the Ballet Series Love Blush Brush. So this is like what I was talking about. This was a free gift as well. And then you can choose which one you wanted. So I picked the pink one. It had blue as well, but I got blue last time. And this is just a blush brush. So that is the beautiful handle there in pink. And then that is the brush up there. It is really nice and soft. This almost feels like it's natural hair. I don't know if it is or if it's synthetic, but it feels really, really good quality. And then that is the, what is this called? Bezel or something? I don't think that's what it's called, but the base of the brush right here, it is so pretty. Definitely attention to detail on their items. This is definitely like Princess Core vibes with this whole brand. Next up, I got this hairpin. This is also a free gift as well. So there was just tons of free gifts that you could get, and I chose this one. I think they had the Strawberry Rococo, and then they had probably the Swan Ballet one as well, but this is from their mermaid collection. If you guys can see the mermaid on there. Very cute. Next up, I picked up the number 3 Silly Ribbon Embossed Blush from their Swan Ballet collection. And let's just have a quick look at the packaging. So cute. And if you guys have seen their blushes before, you know how beautiful this is and how much I actually don't want to use this. But I picked the one in the blue packaging. I think it was based on the color on the inside though, not on the outside. But I do love this baby blue color. I think it's so cute. And then let's quickly open it. Oh my goodness. So it's a beautiful, like, cool toned pink blush. That's what it looks like. I'm hoping that the camera is picking up the embossing and stuff like that. So that's the embossing on the blush. I'm hoping that the camera picks it up. It is a cute little swan on there. Just love it. I honestly don't want to use it. Then we have a couple more things. The next thing is the Flower Nose Swan Ballet Series Shine Lipstick. I don't know why I keep saying the brand. I'm like, it's the Flower Nose lipstick. It's from their Swan Ballet collection actually, and I got it in the baby blue as well. It kind of all matches. Even the pink though, even the pink would match this pretty well. So what color did I say this was? This was Endless Summer number B5. And this is what the packaging looks like on the lipstick. How beautiful is this? Again, like, I honestly almost don't want to use this, and you know, people seeing this coming out of your bag and you applying this, they're gonna be like, where did you get that? It is so pretty. So this is what the lipstick looks like. Ooh, it's one of those matte ones. I'm not gonna swatch this because honestly I don't have time. I have to run to work, but it is a beautiful rose color and it has that matte finish to it. If you guys can see that, it's like, it almost looks like it's soft, if that makes sense. Like MAC has the Powdered Kiss lipsticks and it looks a lot like that. I am wearing a Flower Nose lipstick right now, by the way. It is from their Strawberry Rococo collection. Love their lipsticks. Okay, so next up, this is the eyeshadow palette. And this is in the color Pink Swan number 3. So I did get some stuff in the pink color as well. And this is what the pink one looks like. It has a white and a pink swan on the front. Very, very, very beautiful packaging. I absolutely love that. It's so stunning. Now let's open this one up, and I picked all pinks this time around because honestly I feel like I could use some of these pinks as blushes. Not that I would want to, because honestly anything embossed like this, I just want to keep it, I want to keep it forever looking like this. But I do want to try out their eyeshadows. But yeah, this color right here definitely stood out to me. It's almost like a peachy pink duochrome with like a gold shimmer. So I thought that that would be a really cool, if not eyeshadow, then like a blush. The very last thing, is this the very last thing? Yeah. The very last thing that I got is a mirror, and I obviously picked the blue one for this one. I looked at the pink and I honestly thought about it, but I ended up with the blue. This is actually really heavy. I have some of their mirrors from the Strawberry Rococo collection and then from their Circus collection, and those mirrors are like lightweight. I use it every day. That's how I know. Feeling this, I'm like, this is way heavier. It almost feels like it's actually made out of metal or something, or like there's something heavy on this. But yeah, of course there's a mirror cover on the front. It does say flower nose right there on the handle. Definitely very princess Disney vibes. And then on the back there is the two swans in blue. How beautiful is this mirror? So that is all for my flower nose haul. I do hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you are not already subscribed, please go ahead, click that subscribe button below. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, and I will see you guys soon with a new video. Bye!
I let you deeper than